What's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some cereal. So, first of all, I need to show you what the cereal is. We have honey wheat. No? Okay. Honey wheat. So, this is how you start to make cereal. So first, you get a bowl. Now it could be any bowl. Okay, fuck that. But I'm gonna be going with this one because it's real nice. Boom. So once you have your bowl, you need to just pour it. Okay, so you open it. Fine. So, after you have poured the cereal successfully, as shown below, that's when you can start to pour your milk. So, follow me over to the milk. You have the milk, as shown here. The fuck is this? Whole milk? Where's my 3%? No? Okay. So, actually 3% is really fucking disgusting. I'm just playing. But okay, so, wait. Yes, once you've gotten the milk as shown, then you start to pour your milk. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, so once you're done pouring your milk, you take the cap. Ooh, y'all saw that? Okay. Then you put it back on. Follow me again. I'm not talking about on Instagram, but that's an option too. Boom, put it back in. Close that joint. Then you grab one of the spoons. I'm gonna get my favorite. Hold on, where that joint at? Bang! This one, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so then you do like so. You twist it a little bit so you know it's about to get munched on, so it knows it's about to be smashed on, Boom, slam it in there. You could be a little aggressive. But yeah, so you no longer need the cereal. So if you're a little mad today, if you're not having a good breakfast, boom, right there. Just disrespect it like it disrespects your taste buds sometimes. Boom. All nice and beat up like his daddy. I don't know what that was. Okay, so then you have successfully made honey wheat.